Hi guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Tiana and today I'm super happy because I got this Dinosaur magic egg and my friends said that it's really awesome because the water fizzes when you put it in the water and they say that a dinosaur comes out. On the back of the box you get some dinosaurs that you can collect and you also get points. I really want this Triceratops because you get 50 points and that's the most. Here are all of the dinosaurs that you can collect and I want the Triceratops one because you get 50 points and you get points for each one. Okay guys, now I'm going to pour some water into a bowl to put the dinosaur egg into it. Okay, now I need to get the egg into the water now. Guys, this feels so strange. Now I'm going to put the egg into the water to see what happens. Whoa! Can't really see it. Wow, it's fizzing a lot. This is awesome. Turn it around. Wow, it's here! Let me find out the name on the back of the card. And the name is Dinosaur and I got 8 points. And also guys, all of the body parts can come off. And you can mix all your dinosaurs up. Okay guys, that's all for today. I hope to see you in my next video and can you please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. And also I'm going to be trying to collect some more of these dinosaurs. Bye!